Crack open a walnut and you will notice something odd. It looks uncannily like a human brain. 2 lobes, deep wrinkles, even the same beige tone. Coincidence? Maybe. But here's the twist. Inside that tiny shell lies one of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth, packed with compounds that do not just feed your brain, but quietly repair nearly every system in your body. For centuries, this small nut has been valued as food for strength and longevity. Ancient civilizations linked it to mental clarity long before science confirmed its power. Today, studies show that walnuts can help protect the heart, support digestion, improve sleep, sharpen the brain, and even nourish the skin and hair. Let us explore 7 ways this super nut helps keep your body young and strong. Number 1. Support heart health. Decades of research show that walnuts help lower bad cholesterol and improve circulation. People who eat walnuts regularly tend to have better heart markers compared to those who do not. The secret is a plant-based omega-3 fat called ALA, short for alpha-linolenic acid. Just 1 ounce of walnuts, about a small handful, provides around 2.5 grams of ALA. This essential fat helps lower inflammation and supports healthy blood vessel function. The American Heart Association notes that diets including walnuts can reduce the risk of heart disease when they replace saturated fats. In short, adding a few walnuts to your daily meals is one of the simplest ways to protect your heart. But while your heart grows stronger, another system in your body begins to heal too. Number 2. Restore gut balance. Inside your digestive system lives a vast community of microbes that control how you digest food, absorb nutrients, and even manage your immune system. This is called the gut microbiome. A study funded by the National Institutes of Health found that adults who ate about 43 grams of walnuts each day for 8 weeks had a more diverse gut microbiome. Good bacteria that produce short-chain fatty acids, like butyric acid, increased significantly. These compounds are known to reduce inflammation and support a healthier gut lining. In simple terms, walnuts act like nourishment for the friendly bacteria that protect your digestive tract. A balanced gut also supports mental clarity, mood, and better sleep through the gut-brain connection. And that connection leads directly to the next benefit. Number 3. Improve sleep quality. A healthy sleep cycle depends on calm nerves, steady blood pressure, and proper hormone balance. Walnuts support all 3. They contain natural melatonin, the hormone that signals your brain when it is time to rest. They also contain magnesium and omega-3 fats that relax muscles and stabilize the nervous system. Instead of forcing you to sleep, walnuts support your body's natural rhythm. Eating them consistently may help you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling more refreshed. Better sleep also helps your body recover faster, especially your brain. And that brings us to one of the walnut's most famous strengths. Number 4. Strengthen the brain. Walnuts are loaded with polyphenols and omega-3 fats that protect brain cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. That process is similar to metal rusting over time, slowly dulling how cells communicate. In studies on older adults, regular walnut eaters performed better on memory and processing tests. Animal research also suggests that diets rich in walnuts improve learning and coordination. It is not about instant intelligence. It is about preserving the clarity, memory, and focus that you already have, even as you age. And the same nutrients that keep your brain sharp also protect other delicate cells in the body, including reproductive cells. Number 5. Support male fertility. Researchers at UCLA studied more than 100 men who added about 75 grams of walnuts to their daily diet for 3 months. The group that consumed walnuts showed better sperm shape, mobility, and vitality than those who did not. Scientists believe the antioxidants and omega-3 fats in walnuts help reduce oxidative stress, which protects reproductive health. This research is still developing, but the early results are promising. While those benefits work deep inside the body, walnuts are also improving something visible on the surface. Number 6. Nourish skin and hair. Your skin constantly faces damage from sunlight, pollution, and stress. Walnuts help counter those effects from within. They are rich in vitamin E, B vitamins, and healthy fats that strengthen skin cells and lock in moisture. These nutrients fight dryness, improve elasticity, and reduce signs of aging. Walnut oil is particularly effective. Applied to the skin, it helps soften dry areas and reduce dark circles. When used on the scalp, it moisturizes and may help reduce dandruff. The potassium in walnuts supports cell regeneration, helping both skin and hair stay healthy. It is no wonder walnut oil appears in so many natural skincare and hair care formulas, but the benefits go even further, helping your body manage energy and appetite from the inside. Number 7. Help control weight and reduce cravings. It may sound surprising, but eating walnuts can actually help with appetite control. In short-term clinical studies, people who drank walnut smoothies for several days reported feeling fuller and less tempted by junk food. Brain imaging showed reduced activity in the part of the brain that drives cravings. That means walnuts may help you crave fewer processed foods while still feeling satisfied. Walnuts also improve insulin sensitivity, which helps regulate blood sugar. This combination supports a healthier metabolism and may reduce abdominal fat over time. They are not a diet trick. They simply help your body return to its natural balance. When you step back, the pattern is clear. Walnuts strengthen your heart. They rebuild your gut. They help you rest deeply and think clearly. They protect fertility, improve your skin and hair, and even help balance your appetite. 7 major systems, 1 small food. It is no wonder ancient cultures considered walnuts a symbol of health and wisdom. Modern science now agrees. A handful a day can do more for your long-term wellness than many supplements combined. Your body is like an orchestra. The heart keeps rhythm. The gut provides harmony. The brain carries the melody. And the walnut acts as the quiet conductor, helping everything stay in tune. Thank you for reading until the end. Please leave a comment below to tell us which country you are from and share any experience you have with walnuts or other foods that improved your health. We appreciate your time and story.